2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Okay, so for the next part, we are going to be building the followers here. So for this video, we are going to be learning how to make the follower scale and the... So for this part, in this video, we are going to be learning how to make the follower and the axle in Fusion. The reason why I'm doing two of these in the same video is because these are quite literally the same exact thing, except one's a little bit longer than the other, or you could phrase it as one's a little bit shorter than the other. So might as well just show you how to make both, and that way you can also learn how to make separate files. So I'm going to click Fusion, and I'm also going to click Create Sketch, but this time, other than the other videos, if you've watched them so far, I'm going to click this one. And now what I'm going to do next is click center, or click Create, click Center Rectangle, and then I'm going to type in 0.25, tab 0.25, press enter, and there you go. I'm double checking my dimensions. Yep, it says 0.25. Now I'm going back to Fusion, and I'm going to click Home. I'm going to click Finish Sketch, and then this is the super easy part, right? Because I will quite literally do the same exact process again, but for the other one. So you can actually do one of two things to make your life a little bit easier, right? You could like save this file, figure out how to make a copy of it, and then extrude them the different lengths, or you can just do this process twice. To be honest, I think just doing this process twice is going to be just as fast. Like you'll see me in real time do it. So I'm going back to the dimensions, and one's 4 inches, one's 5.625 inches. So let me go to this. Let me click extrude, and I'm just going to do 4 inches as the first one because it's faster. Press enter. Oh, there's another way too. You can even just change the extrusion length on it too if you want to make a copy and do that route. But it's really not that hard to do. And then I'm going to click save, and I'm going to name this axle. Oh no, this is the follower. I'm going to name this follower. I press enter. Brilliant. Now I'm going to click new design. And if you are up to date with Fusion as of March 3rd, 2026, it's going to take you to this thing. Just click part design. It's the same thing. I'm going to click create new. And I do the same exact thing. Click create sketch. Click this thing. Click 2-point rectangle. Click rectangle. Click center rectangle. And then I'm going to press 0.25, tab 0.25, press enter. I click finish sketch. I go back to my model to make sure I get the right dimensions, 5.625, and I'm going to do that here. I click extrude, and I literally am typing it in, 5.625, press enter. I double check, obviously, because you got to double check everything. And then, yeah, okay, that's good. I click save. And then this is axle or automaton, technically, because singular of automata is automaton. Fun fact. All right. And that's really how you do it. It literally, this whole thing took me less than 5 minutes to do. And that's with an intro. So hopefully it takes you less than 5 minutes to do.